Alright, so I was about to work on this, fix this thing, but then I just got this in the mail, so I'm just wondering what this is. Yeah. So I'm going to open that. Alright, so I just got this mystery package. Let's see here what's in here. Oh, well, that's great. Look, it's a door. For the cargo door. The cargo door. There's a latch. Huh. Thank you so much for sending that to me. That's really nice of you. All the way from California. Thanks, Samba. Alright, so here's where this piece goes. And these ones are really weird because they've got this thing on it instead of the other ones, which have this round thing. So early models like this. So I'm hoping this fits my 1950 to 55 door here. It looks like it does. Good job. Okay, so how to install the cargo door handle. This piece like this, and you just kind of wiggle it around. And, you can clearly see the ends. There you go. So normally there's a piece in there that would hold it in place, but I haven't welded that in yet. So kind of fits. That's cool. Okay, so put something down here in order to stop this thing from falling all the way down. Then you want to put the other one in, which goes up like this, and this piece goes out, so it's like that. All right, so this one I'm going to go from this side and try it. I think it might actually work better to go from the top. If it does, maybe. Okay, so I got about here. Now I need to get it down just a little bit further. You can tell the door isn't going to close like that. I'm just going to tap it with a hammer, I think. Alright, so from what I can tell, these screws are 10 bolts. I got those 10 bolt here. The engine. It fits the thread pretty good, so I'm going with that. It might be too long. I've got shorter ones. And this thing here is still stuck, so I put the vice grip on here so it doesn't fall all the way down. I'm just going to tap the top, tap it up here to knock it down, and that should be good enough. Alright, so on top here I've got this piece. I'm just going to tap this down in order to get this further down. Now it's really important that you get these marks in the right direction. If you're lucky enough to find a couple of these things, or if your bus came with it. Ooh, interesting, I found a spider. Oh, it's a moth nest. Alright, let's see if this thing fits like it's supposed to. Alright, so it fell out. Start over again. Back in here. Yeah, slide it all the way down again. There we go. Oh, it's in the wrong spot. Right. Now it's back in spot. Alright, so once you got it like this, then it should just be a matter of putting the screws in. There's one. Ow. And yeah, of course, the 10 mil is missing. Alright, so that appears to be in there. Now we're gonna see if it works. Oh, I hope this thing works. Oh, it seems to be going up. Yeah, we've got one action. Bottom action. Oh, it's going way down. Back up. Yeah, we have bottom action. Alright, that looks great. Now it's together and it works. So that's how you install that piece. The next thing would be the door handle, obviously. You take the screw out and put the handle on here. Just, yeah, the handle's somewhere in the van. Have to find it. Yeah, that's that. Yay. Got a new handle. Cool. Oh, you might need to know this. The, which one? The long one goes on the bottom, apparently. Not the short one. And the short one goes on the top. So the long one goes on the bottom, the short one goes on top. Alright, so after a couple minor adjustments. Yeah, that works. Obviously, last piece is going to install the handle. So I've got this, the vice grip here. So, oh no, I lost the screw. Okay, let's do this. Let's see if it works. Yeah, that works. Yeah, we're good. Okay, there we go. Handle installed. Just gotta get these out. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe below. I hope you have a great day.